Ukrainian territorial defense forces shot down a Russian Mi-35 in Donetsk Oblast. A Russian soldier shows the losses of the Russian army northwest of Krasna in Kharkiv Oblast, Ukraine. Graveyard.
Here they are, the broken equipment that didn't run.
Разбитая техника. Доехала. Еще палёным пахнет.
Still smells like fire.
Мангал не помог. БМП догорает. Наверное, сутки двое или трое.
They should do it differently.
Дымится еще. Вот остов машины. Вот.
A Russian soldier filmed the detonation of ammunition caused by a missile strike on a Russian military unit a few days ago. The location of the incident has not been disclosed.
Все целы? Да.
Пизда, блядь.
Warthog unit within the 24th Mechanized Brigade targeting Russian quad bikers and motorcyclists. The 39-year-old pianist, Pavel Kushner, dies in Russian pre-trial detention. The musician and anti-war activist was on a hunger strike, and his body couldn't handle it, his friend says. Kushner had incited terrorism by reading poems against Putin in a YouTube channel with 5 followers.
Жизнь – это лишь то, чего уже никогда не будет при фашизме.
Life is something that will never exist again under fascism. Freedom, creativity, love, sincerity, truth, the tragic beauty of the human face. The curse in a military uniform and its consent. Kurt Cobain, Yanka Diagileva. Communication is in love, communication is in freedom. Spirit is freedom, Jesus Christ is the Son of God. Bucha massacre is the shame of our motherland. Fascism is the death of our motherland. Putin is a fascist. The peoples of our country have given millions of their best lives for fascism to never exist. And we will not accept it. We will not worship the beast. Down with the war in Ukraine. Down with Putin's fascist regime. Freedom for all political prisoners. Freedom for all prisoners and freedom to everyone.
Ukrainian President Zelenskyy on recent Russian attacks. Russian combat aviation must be destroyed where it is, by all means that are effective. It is also quite fair to strike at Russian airfields, and we need this joint solution with our partners, a security solution. This is the only way to ensure protection for our people. This week alone, Russia has used more than 600 guided aerial bombs against Ukraine. We must stop this daily Russian terror with strong joint decisions. And regarding the killing of the leader of Hamas in Iran, newest informations are that a bomb that killed Ismail Haniyeh was planted 2 months ago. Haniyeh was known to have stayed in before, was detonated remotely once it was confirmed that the Haniyeh was inside the room. Palestinian Islamic Jihad, Ziad al-Nakhala, was staying next door to Haniyeh, but his room was barely damaged and he was unharmed.
شهید پرچمدار مقاومت شهید اسماعیل هنیه امروز شهید اسماعیل هنیه و همراهش مهمان شهدای مقاومت به ویژه حاج قاسم سلیمانی عزیز.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.